Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Today we have some homemade fried chicken prepared by the famous chef Richard.
RFC, fried chicken.
Oh, guys, don't you think it's eating more rice before trying to eat? So ask me what I'm eating and we'll try that sauce. Figure out that sauce.
No, not even grace.
You may say what I'm saying. And I also have some sweet chili sauce. So see you. Honestly, I know we have all the snacks so good and by far we know these things come with the ice cream. So that is now, I'm going to give you like conscious life because the more beautiful, the more messy and more right?
You're right.
Right, I'm going to go to the next one.
We are back. We are back.
And you people use running cheese and this
Good. Hey, 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 hey.
Guys, please don't forget to subscribe and subscribe and please share the video. Don't forget to subscribe and subscribe and please
Don't forget me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Everyone,
Well, that's the video.
Alright? Bye.